Hold up, a massive leak just dropped today about Samsung's Galaxy Tab S11 and it's got us hyped. An 11-inch MOLED stunner, a blazing Dimensity 9400 chip, and a June release. Let's unpack this game changer. Samsung's bringing back the compact 11-inch flagship we've been begging for, and it's packing some serious heat. Wanna know why the Tab S11 could dominate 2025? Stick with me for the juicy details. According to leaks, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 is making a comeback with a gorgeous 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Expect buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rates, HDR10 Plus support, and that anti-reflective coating Samsung debuted on the S24 Ultra. Perfect for binge watching and working in bright sunlight. Powering this beast, the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, a flagship SoC with a 3.62 GHz Cortex-X925 core and 12-core GPU. Leaks say it's 40% more efficient than the Dimensity 9300 Plus in the Tab S10, delivering insane performance for gaming, editing, and multitasking. Think Snapdragon 8 Elite level power at a potentially lower cost. The Tab S11's design is sleek, likely under 6mm thin with a premium metal frame. It'll support the S Pen for sketching and notes. And rumors hint at moonstone gray and platinum silver colors. Plus, it's codenamed GTS11 with the Tab S11 Ultra as its big brother, so you expect a compact yet powerful vibe. The leaks point to June 2025 release, breaking Samsung's usual 1.5-year cycle for the Tab S series. This suggests Samsung's rushing to compete with the likes of the iPad Air and Vivo Pad 5 Pro. Running One UI 7 on Android 15, expect AI-powered features like dialogue boost and 7 years of updates. Why does this matter? The Tab S11 brings back the 11-inch size missing from the Tab S10 lineup, offering a portable alternative to the 12.4-inch Plus and 14.6-inch Ultra. At an estimated $699 to $799, it could undercut the iPad Air while matching its display and power. The Galaxy Tab S11 is shaping up to be a must-have. Want the latest on this leak or to pre-order when it drops? Check the links in the description for more details. Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay updated on all things Samsung. What's your take on the Galaxy Tab S11? Hype for the 11-inch comeback? Drop a comment below.